Do you understand the topic?
Yes, sir.
Have you started? The topic is
Sir,
who is better?
Sir,
Male better or female better?
give us one minute to speak.
I will give you enough time, like 1 minute to you, 1 minute to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Timing, you can tell me. No, he will struggle. Who doesn't want to? Then you cannot participate.
Okay.
Be focused, okay?
Okay.
So, we have so many people in favor of males are better and a few females are there.
We are
They are
enough.
saying,
We are enough.
but they are very much confident. Are you confident?
Yeah.
So let's start our debate. So the topic is males versus female. Okay? So let's listen from males group. So what do you think? Who wants to speak?
Sir, let
Start
them
timer,
start.
start
Sir,
timer.
sir,
Your timer, you're running. Yes, please start. What are you waiting for? You are taking favor of males.
No.
Who wants to speak? If you want to speak, just raise your hand. No? After 1 minute, I will let them speak.
in my opinion, boys are better than girls because boys have to struggle more. Girls are enjoying their life because they have not any pressure in their head. I have also, and they have not mind. They have not pressure in their head, and boys have lots of pressure, and they have to struggle more than girls. So, in my opinion, boys are better than girls.
Okay, anybody else from the... Okay, yes, please.
In my opinion, girls are thinking there's more. Then girls is thinking is more, but they have no confidence to take the decision. So men they should have to take the decision with the men. So she take carefully and she take the decision with full confidence.
Okay. How much time did it take? Now, how much time did it take? Male side, who wants to speak? Start timer. Yes.
I totally disagree with you, sir. You spoke that girls don't have confidence. According to me, females have confidence. Like when you will go in a marriage, so you from groom sides there are many people come, and from female side the only she go alone.
Yes. Very nice.
Okay. Any other point?
I want to.
Yes.
You said that there are many problems in boys' life more than girls, but it doesn't mean that girls know how to face the problem, but boys always want to take smoking. They always want a chance to smoke.
Wait.
Speak up. Can you please keep your mouth shut?
1 minute 50 seconds.
Sir,
Wait, let me-
Before some time,
Start
got a
time.
knowledge that
Now 1
girls,
minute, okay? Yes.
and
I totally disagree with you, ma'am. You said boys are smoking. Nowadays, girls are also smoking, and they also know new things about smoking, and they also go bar, and they also always thinking about wasting their money. Okay.
Before some time, ma'am, I think that you didn't listen. Sir told that girls are smoking more than boys in Delhi, and I would like to add one more point that I am totally disagree with you. Also, you told that girls have more confidence. They have confidence to shout because if they will shout, so everyone will come to them for support them. But if a man will shout, so all girls will go to their home and they will close their windows.
Anybody else? Time? How much time?
I am totally disagree with your points. As you told that girls are more confident than boys. As you can see at the last activity, the number of boys was high than a girls. It means the boys has more confidence. And as you see after the boys, when girls get a chance to speak, they did not speak. They wasted their time.
Okay. Now, girls, who wants to speak? Yes.
So I'm sorry, Aditya sir. I'm totally disagree with your point that girls does not have mind. You know that without women you cannot survive, and you can see a very perfect example of your mom, because women have a very caring heart. And that's it.
I'm totally agree with you, Gulzar sir, because you said that in universal truth, everybody thinks that girls are always first, but we give you chance to speak up because we are very kind person. We have nervous heart.
Anybody else?
Speak up, sir. Speak, yeah.
Yes.
I partially agree with my partners, and I totally disagree with you. You spoke that girls don't have mind. If girls don't have mind, so how they can handle their homes and
Bipasha ma'am, I totally disagree with you. I think that you don't know about Modi ji and Sallu bhai. They are living without a woman. I know they had some affair with the girl, but they have broken it because they know that boys are better than girls.
Yes.
Before some month, I saw a story on that a man was surviving his life, and he is doing so hard work for his wife. And when she got when she got a flawless job, so she decided that maybe I should break my relationship, and she came another relationship. So maybe it's not a flawless thing for a man.
I want to speak, sir.
Time? 10 seconds.
In my opinion, that girls are wasting our time because they are making reels in Instagram. That's it.